So if you watched yesterday's video, you already know what this one is. It is the avocado cling film squishy. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making another cling film squishy DIY because I'm absolutely loving how these are turning out and you need to make them too. So here's the tutorial. To make the avocado, what you're going to need is some cling film. Lay it out on your desk, making sure there are no crinkles, no folds in your cling film, and then you'll need to add some toy or pillow stuffing, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually using pillows at the moment from Tesco. Cost me £8 for two, and I'm able to literally make like 50 squishies from these, so I've considered it an investment. What you need to do is grab a big load of the pillow stuffing, add it to the cling film, and just wrap it up until you have an avocado shape. You want to tape the cling film down, keeping it all secure and into place. You may find here that your shape can look a little bit janky and have a few angles on that you don't want, so take your time here, add small pieces of tape at small times, just folding bits over, making sure it's nice and rounded where the rounded edges need to be. Once you have your base shape, it's then time to decorate. This part here is the most satisfying part of it all. Let me tell you something, the way the paint glides onto the cling film is like no other. You have to try it. Honestly, just give it a whirl. It is not to be missed. I am enjoying this so much. So to paint the avocado, what you're going to need is obviously a lighter green to paint the base. I actually mixed acrylic paint and a fabric medium for mine. As I always say, acrylic paint is going to be best for this, and especially if you have the fabric medium mixed in, as this is going to prevent any future cracking. But of course, any type paint is going to work here. Just if you use a fabric medium or a fabric based paint, this is going to be more flexible and over time it's going to crack less. Normal paints will work to color this in. Obviously just use whatever you have available. Like, we want to be budget crafters over here. We want to save our money for more important things while still having a good time making our crafts. So just do what you gotta do. I always link all of the brands and all of the exact materials that I use in the description if you want to check that out. But of course, like I said, just use what you have. Once you have the light green base layer on, it's then time to get the outside of the avocado. So just mix up a slightly darker green and paint the edging on, making it nice and smooth. This really does give it a much neater outline. So even if your base shape is a little bit funky and not quite perfect, this step can definitely give the illusion of having a better avocado shape. You then want to paint on the avocado seed, add a little face to the top like I did. I added white for the eyes and added on some very large pupils. I'm using the same technique that I used in yesterday's video, you know, with the other side of my brush. I don't know why I haven't thought about that in a while, just using it as almost a giant dotting tool. Then painted on a cute little mouth between the eyeballs, and then I left that to dry. Once all the paint and stuff had dried, it was then time to put on a final layer of cling film. You want this to go over nice and neatly. This is just going to protect all of that paint on there from squishing. You are going to need to stab this final layer after taping it down into place with a needle, just to help out with airflow again, so that your squishy can obviously be squished down and rise back up, just to allow that airflow to go back through. Okay, so now that it's all wrapped up, we're back at the real-time review. I've added a few little holes kind of equally all the way around. You would have seen that I've taped up all of the back this time, just because on yesterday's one where I made the rainbow belt squishy, in fact that's just over here, there it is, I didn't add quite so much tape, but on the back of this one I have added a fair amount. So squishiness wise, again, just beautiful. I think this is why these are becoming my favorite ones to make, because like I said, it's not only easy to make and quick, it's also cheap, and they also are really satisfying. But sometimes you do end up with a little bubble in the cling film like that, so that just indicates to me that I need a couple more air holes near the top. I'll add a few more in the bottom there. Let's test that out. Yeah, that's working much better. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And like I was saying yesterday, like with the cute little characters that I've been making, they're also so cute to stand alone by themselves, because you can just put them on display and have all of these big cute characters, and they cost hardly anything to make, which is what I'm loving. Obviously just this cling film, and I'm just using a pillow from a set from Tesco. So the pillows themselves, I think it cost £8 for a set of two, and then this here is from Aldi for, I think, I don't know, a couple of pounds. So all in all, a very cheap a little DIY to do, and you can make so many. So I'm going to be bringing some more DIYs of these. So if you have any ideas or any requests, let me know, because I do want to be making more and more. I'm thinking about just making a whole entire set of these because I'm really enjoying it, especially with just the show on in the background. It's just such a fun craft, and obviously anyone of any age could do them. I really like this. I think this has turned out so cute. Love the little chunky avocado. So let me know, like I said, if you have any requests for any to come. I would love to get creating for you and give you a shout out on the video as well. But with all that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You can like it, you can give it a hype, whatever that does, and subscribe if you're not already for future uploads. And yeah, I'll be back very soon, possibly tomorrow, for another video. Bye. Look at it rise. Ooh, beautiful.